Hello students, how are you beta? So dear students, let's start with the next half of the chapter third from our PB book, that is determiners. Okay, let's start with the next exercise. In previous classes we have done what are determiners and its types also we have done. Now let's take a quick revision of kinds of determiners. Okay, a, an and the. Okay, these are called articles. A, an, the, these are called articles. My, your, his, her. Okay, its, your, one's, these are called possessives. Then comes to demonstratives. This, these, those, that, these are called demonstratives. And next one is distributives. Each, every, either, neither, these are called distributive determiners. Next one is quantifiers. Some, any, no, much, more, many, most, light, little, a little, few, less, least, fewer, fewest, enough, several, all, both, half. These are called quantifiers. Okay, and last one is interrogatives, that is what, which, whose, etc. So these are the kinds of determiners. Let's take a quick revision of each, every, either or neither. Okay, each, every, either or neither. Yes beta, each. First of all we can take each and every. Each is used for two or more persons or things, that is definite, while every is used for more than two persons or things, that is indefinite. Okay, let's take an example. Each boy must have his own book. Each boy must have his own book. She comes to me every day. Next one is either or neither. Either and neither. Either means one of the two persons or things. Okay, either means one of the two persons or things, and neither is the opposite of either, means in negative sense. Okay, let's take an example. You may buy either of these two pens. Okay, you may buy either of these two pens. You can take any of these two. And let's take the example of neither. Neither of them could speak on the stage. कि उनमें से कोई भी स्टेज पर नहीं बोल सकता. Neither of them could speak on the stage. Let's take some example of each. Each of the children was laughing. He got each of the men out safely. Each of the windows was broken. Each of the cats was purring loudly. Each of the phones was out of reach. So beta, these are some examples of determiner each. Now let's see demonstrative pronouns, that is this, that, these and those. These are called demonstrative pronouns. And for singular we use this or that, or for plural these or those. So let's start with the example this, that, these or those. This and that. Okay, this and that are used with singular nouns. For example, this car is mine, that house is newly built. Okay, and these and those, these are normally used with nouns in the plural. For example, these mangoes are ripe, those pens are new. Okay, remember this thing beta, these and those used for plural, and this and that is used for the singular nouns. Okay, and This and that take singular nouns and singular verbs after them. And similarly, these and those take plural nouns and plural verbs. Okay, this and these, this and these point to the objects which are near. Okay, which are near, while that and those, while that and those point to the distant object. Those are far, जो दूर होते हैं. Okay, those are far. For distant objects we use that and those. Now let's start with the exercise of chapter number 3. Okay, let's read beta. During his trip to Sujanpur last week, Mr. Arya visited an amusement park with his family. And this Sunday, he visited another park in Nehra suburb. He found a great difference between the two parks. Now, complete the comparison between the two parks that he makes by filling in the suitable determiners. Okay, beta, in next exercise, you have to fill the suitable determiner, means this, that, these, those. Okay, what should we write there? You have to see. Now, let's discuss park in Sujanpur. In my summer vacation, I visited a park in Sujanpur. That park was small and there were swings and slides in it. Sid enjoyed the swings immensely and he tried each one of them. Now, what we liked best about the park was that it was very clean and peaceful. And Nikki wants to visit that park again. Okay, let's see next paragraph. Park in Nehra. Last Sunday, I visited a park in Nehra. It was very big and there were many swings and rides in it. All those were electric ones and there were lots of food stalls. Sid liked that park for various reasons. Mrs. Arya and Nikki, however, didn't like that park because it was very crowded. Now, move on to the worksheet number 2. Yes, beta, what you have to do here? Pair up with your partner from the table given below. Form as many correct and meaningful sentences as you can. Okay, you have 2 minutes to write them in your notebook. After completion of this sentences, beta, you can write down these in your rough notebook. Okay, write down these in your rough notebook for the practice. Let's take some examples and others you have to try yourself. Okay, you have to match these 3 columns and then prepare the meaningful sentences. Okay, I didn't buy an ink pen. He drank a cup of tea. Kavita needs a hair dryer. We visited the Rocky Mountains. He is the most handsome man. So many sentences we can frame by using these. Okay, now you have to prepare yourself. So many sentences you can frame. Let's revise articles a, and the. First of all, let's take use of a, and for any use a and for one out of many. Okay, use a when the noun begins with a consonant. For example, a bag, a cat. Okay, and exception when the vowel u. Okay, remember thing beta, when the vowel u sounds like y-o-u, y. Okay, then we use a university, a utensil. Okay, now let's see use of an. Use of an when the noun begins with a vowel sound, that is an apple, an umbrella. And when the consonant H is silent, letter H is silent, then also we use an. For example, an hour, an honor. Okay. Now let's see use of the. For a specific item, we use the for a specific item, for a particular one. For example, the umbrella in the bag means the umbrella in the bag. Special umbrella is here and special bag is the particular one. The cat in the tree. We are talking about a particular cat. The cat in the tree. Okay. Now let's start with the worksheet number 3. You have to fill with a determiners part articles a, and the. In these blanks you have to insert a, and, or the. Now read this beta. Complete the following sets of dialogues by inserting the articles a, and, or the. And the first one has been done for you. First one is beta, see here. Is there an air conditioner in this room? Yes, the air conditioner is on the wall under that window. Next is, did you buy anything? Yes, I bought a hat and a scarf. And the hat cost me $10 and the scarf 12. First time we use a, but while repetition we use article the. Next one is, there is a fly on his wound. There is a fly on his wound, and let him drive the fly away. Let him drive the fly away. Okay, beta. Now students, hope you all have understood what we have done, and now you can use determiners this, that, these, those, articles a, and the. Okay, so students, now what you have to do beta, try remaining exercises of the chapter. Okay, read and try remaining exercise of the chapter number 3, that is determiners. Okay, bye bye beta, have a nice day.